this one you got, Bridget?
Aww. Do you like that?
Yeah. Isn't that fucking cool? It's got Stuart Little in it, man. Stuart Little. Of course he liked it. He thought a bit of it. You're welcome. Here, there's this one too. Open it that one. Why'd you take this one out?
No, he's done.
I like this one. Ooh, look at this car. Look at this one. I'm gonna give it.
My phone needs a charger. Hey, Saturday.
Let
Can I see? I just want to see. Can I see?
Show sister.
Let me see.
Look at that car.
Oh, I like that one.
That's neat, isn't it?
I like that.
Thank you. Okay, you want me to put the truck like this? Like it's the leader? Wow, look at all them cars. Go get the other ones. You have other ones in there. Go get the other ones. You have other ones in there in the bathroom, in the bedroom. Yeah. That's good. Go look at the other ones. Ta-da!
Come here, let's go get the other ones. Let's go get them. Come here. Come here.
Go with sister. Go get the rest of them.
Get that one. Get that one and that one. Pick up that one. Alright, come on. There you go.
You know what? I want to have James take me to go pick up that piece that when it has all those these pieces in it. You want to go with us to go get it?
When?
Tonight.
Tonight.
Oh, you know what? You need to call him and tell him to bring back those movies.
Oh, yeah. Man, I knew I was going to forget to tell him. Damn it.
Ta-da! Yay! Huh? Oh, he wants to blow out.
No, please. Please, no. Caleb. Oh, my goodness.
Don't blow it out, sister. Let him blow it out.
That's not good. He's trying to hold on to this table. He doesn't need to blow it out. Because what if this table just fell over and splashed all over him?
What's in the way?
The laundry basket.
Oh,